With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to find number of integers less than 15 satisfying the equation 2 raised to the power mod of x plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power x minus 1 whole mod plus 1. So first of all, let us write LHS. LHS is equal to 2 raised to the power mod of x plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power x. So now here the critical point of this mod is minus 1. So we can write this as equal to, if x is greater than minus 1, then it would be plus x. So 2 raised to the power x plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power x if x is greater than or equal to minus 1. But if x is less than minus 1, it would be equal to minus of x plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power x. This expression would be equal to this. This is the property of mod, that if x is less than the critical point, then it would introduce a negative sign. So now if 2 raised to the power x is taken common in the here, then we'll have 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power x only if x is greater than equal to minus 1, and here it is equal to 2 raised to the power minus of x plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power x if x is less than minus 1. This is LHS. Similarly, now let us try to simplify RHS. RHS is given as 2 raised to the power x minus 1 whole mod plus 1. Now this would be equal to, here critical point is 0, because if x is equal to 0, 1 minus 1 would be there. So if x is greater than equal to 0, then the value of this mod would be 2 plus 2 raised to the power x minus 1, and this plus 1 would be as it is. Similarly, if x is less than 0, then value of this determinant would be, this mod would be minus of 2 raised to the power x minus 1 plus 1. So if we simplify this, RHS would be equal to, here 1 are cancelled, so 2 raised to the power x if x is greater than equal to 0, and here we'll have 2 minus 2 raised to the power x if x is less than 0. This is RHS. Now we know LHS, this is LHS and this is RHS. Now we have 3 cases. We can easily see we have 3 cases. First case would be if x is greater than equal to 0. Because if x is greater than equal to 0, if we look at here, LHS would be equal to, LHS x is greater than 0 lies in this region. So LHS is equal to this, 2 raised to the x is greater than 0, LHS is 2 raised to the power x, which would be equal to RHS, and RHS is also for x greater than equal to 0, RHS is 2 raised to the power x. So this implies x can be any real value in this case. This is first. Now for the second case, we have x less than 0 but greater than or equal to minus 1. This is the second case. So now for this case, let us try to take a look at the LHS. So for x greater than minus 1, LHS is equal to 2 raised to the power x, and for x less than 0, RHS is equal to 2 minus 2 raised to the power x. So substituting those values here, 2 raised to the power x, this is LHS, is equal to RHS, that is 2 minus 2 raised to the power x. So this implies if we add these, 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2. So twice of 2 raised to the power x is twice 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 2. So on comparing, we can write x plus 1, here it is 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 0. But this case is for x less than 0, so x cannot be equal to 0. So there is no value in this case. Now the third case. The third case is x, third case would be x less than minus 1. So for x less than minus 1, we will take LHS is equal to this, I am writing here, minus 2 raised to the power x, and RHS would be taken as x less than 0. That means this 2 minus 2 raised to the power x. So these are cancelled, and we will have 2 raised to the power minus of x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power 1. So on comparing, minus of x plus 1 is equal to 1. So x plus 1 would be equal to minus 1. So x should be equal to 2 from here, minus 2 from here. This is second. Now from equation first, we have x is equal to x belonging to R. This was equation first. Now we need number of integers less than, only integers, and less than 15. So the values of x could be this -2, and from here x greater than equal to 0, that means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 15, because we know we need only less than 15 integers, only less than 15. So these are 15 integers here and plus 1, that is 16. So number of values of x are 16. Hence the correct option is option C.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.